Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Chris, and in this video, we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to enter BIOS or UEFI in Linux systems. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Method 1. This method will only work on Linux distros that use systemd. This means this method will work on anything based on Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, and any mainstream Arch-based distros, including Manjaro and EndeavourOS. It is still a good idea to ensure that your Linux distro uses systemd. Type in the terminal, ps-, no hyphen headers, -ocom1, then hit enter. If it returns systemd, you are good to go. Once you figure out that your distro is utilizing systemd, then type in the terminal, systemctl reboot firmware setup. Then hit enter to boot into the BIOS or UEFI firmware settings. Method 2. You can access the BIOS or UEFI firmware settings from the grub menu, also known as bootloader screen, by selecting UEFI firmware settings instead of your Linux distro and hitting enter. Method 3. If you don't see UEFI firmware settings in the grub menu for some reason, press escape in the grub menu to access the grub command line interface, also known as grub shell, and type fw setup. Then hit enter to boot into the BIOS or UEFI firmware settings. If nothing is working, restart the computer and tap the BIOS key to access the setup. Our video on how to enter the BIOS or UEFI by manufacturer might help you. The link is in the description below. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.